Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship program which is provided by the Accenture company. And friend, it is a very good opportunity for all the college going students, freshers and the professionals who wants to make their career in the process design, project management or process engineer field. And friend, it is a very good opportunity. So please explore it and complete this virtual internship program. And friend, you can see this type of sample certificates you will be getting, and we are going to check the all the details, what types of things you will learn and how you have to register. So friend, please watch the video complete. So let's start the video. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the forage, and they are providing this Accenture virtual internship program. So friend, you can see here the internship topic name is given. That is, you can see process design. So you have to optimize efficiency of the process with the help of this process design virtual internship program. And below that you can see register now is given. So how you have to register we will discuss later. And you can see here friend, this virtual experience program is absolutely free. So you did not have to pay any money. And you can see here some of the information regarding this virtual internship program is given. You can see here it is a free for the students, and friend, it is also for the working professionals, how we will discuss in the middle of the video. Then you can see this program is a self-paced and it will take around 5 to 6 hours to complete this virtual experience program. And friend, you will get the practical skills and the experience from the Accenture North America. And friend, you will get the very good type of content. So please complete it. And you can also mention this virtual internship experience in your resume, and also you can share it on your LinkedIn profile. So let's check about this virtual internship program. Means how means why you need to join this virtual experience program. So you can see here friend, effective process are the core of what helps every organization achieve to their goals, and explore process design best practices in the trust the process virtual experience. And friend, you will learn how to identify areas for process improvement and summarize optimization efficiency and recommendations. And all essential North America virtual experience programs give you a taste of how together means we can create a meaningful powerful change and bring your skills, your curiosity and your best true self. And you can see also here a small video is given regarding this virtual internship program. So I have given the link in the description box from where you can access it and check it. So let's check what types of things you will learn here. So the first module you can see here, you will learn regarding the project expectation and management. So you have to propose a scope for a process design the project, and you will get the practical skills from working on the various types of tasks. So you will learn the skills like business analysis, what is the project management, how the various process help in the project management. So this type of things you will learn. And the next module you will can see here, you will learn process analysis. And you can see analysis of an existing process to identify improvement area. So friend, basically you have to learn the existing process, and after that you have to do the analysis, means what are the different criteria impacting the process and how you can improve it. So you have to do the analysis of the process. Then you can see business analysis and process simplification. So you have to simplify the complex process into simple, so that it will increase the revenue. So this type of things you will learn. And again you can see here in the module number 3 you will learn create a process recommendations. Then you have to design a process based on the stakeholders interview notes. So friend, you have to design the process. For designing the process you need some information, so you will get the information from various stakeholders. Like if you are developing the software, then you have to do the with the help of a coder, then testing people's and similarly if you are working in the manufacturing industry, then you have to deal with the various departments like production planning, then purchase department, supply chain management. So according to their feedback or interviews you can make a process. So friend, it depends on industry to industry. Then and friend, you will also increase your process design skills and critical thinking. Then you can see in the last model friend, you will learn deliver the client presentation. So presentation is a friend very important part of the any job role. In you are working in any job, you have to do the presentations, like you have to give the demo of your product presentation. And if anyone joining your company, then you have to also do your company presentation. So it is a very important skill. So you can see you have to deliver a presentation on a recommended process design. So friend, the entire internship is about the process design. So first you have to learn the existing process. Then if there is any defects, you have to take the help of the various stakeholders, take their interviews, and based on their inputs you have to design the process. And after designing the process, then you have to present this process to means peoples and the management as well as the various stakeholders. And after giving this presentation, friend, you can incorporate the correct process. And so you will learn the various types of presentation skills, and also you will get the some of the feedbacks from the your means colleagues or the stakeholders, and according to that you have to modify your processes. So friend, it is a very good means you will get the various types of good skills improvement in this virtual internship program. So friend, before going to check how you have to register, so let's check about the certificates which you will get. So you can see this type of certificates you will get. You can see on the top left corner you will get the Accenture logo, and here your name will be given, and here in the bold the virtual internship topic, that is a process design, will be given on. And friend, what types of things you have learned it will be mentioned on the certificates, and bottom of the certificate they will provide the link, and using that link anyone can verify your certificates. So friend, these are the certificates. And friend, if you have not subscribed our channel Mechanical Stream yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, virtual internship topic videos, and interview tips, as well as the various types of scholarship and job notification video. So friend, please explore our channel and complete the various types of courses internship, so that you will get the jobs, as well as your profile will increase. So let's check how you have to register. So friend, once you open the link I have given in the description box, so this type of page will come. So you can see a register now is given. You have to simply click on that, and once you click, this type of window will come. Then you have to first register yourself. For that you have to click on the sign up with email, and after that you have to provide the details, like you have to provide first name, you can see, then you have to provide last name, then you have to enter your valid email address ID, then you have to create one password. And friend, in the starting I have told you that you can see here they have mentioned that it is free for the students, you can see. But friend, it is also for the experienced professionals. So for the students you have to select these first two options, that is high school or university and college. And friend, if you are the freshers and having the some of the experience, then you can mention the last one option, that is a career. And after that you have to select the means how you did hear about this virtual internship program. So you have to select the anyone option, social media like Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook. So you have to select anyone, and after that you have to click on this register. And friend, once you click on this register, you will be added in this virtual internship program. And once you added, then you have to complete it and get the certificates. And friend, if you have any doubt regarding this virtual internship program, friend, please comment in the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.